Hi, this is IK. Welcome to the developer. You are a React Redux architect. It is continuous from last video because there is first time in this series about React Redux. We have on the post list we incorporate React element time ago. Post list is parent, and the time ago is child. But what is interesting here is this. First of all, we usually have curly brackets, but why now we have here parentheses, not curly brackets? Because curly brackets means block, and if it is look at it is this is post, and it is title, time ago, content, list of post, and we have that list of post thankfully to arrow function map, method map, and arrow function method map of array ordered post. And the parameter of arrow function is post. It is always, when we have a map of array, parameter is members of that array. And because array is post plural, it means that every members is one post. Because of that, we give here descriptive name. We can write here x, y, anything, but post is descriptive name, this parameter. Because this ordered post is array of post. And map, there is a parameter arrow function, and the parameter of that arrow function is singular post. Descript. But when we have here a block, and here it is curly brackets. Now what now happened? This part inside curly brackets is a block. Characteristic of block is that all variable, nobody can access a variable inside a block from outside. And it means that this post don't exist here inside. Post title, post ID. What is post? What is post? This post is declared in parameter, but in curly brackets don't exist that post, and inside don't exist that post, because look at here, there is no post, there is no post list, and because of that we must here write parentheses, and here is parentheses. But look at here. Here is parentheses around parameter. It is always arrow function is parameter of map method. Try to delete this parenthesis and look at here. Nothing happened. All is okay. What it means? It means that we don't need parentheses here. But why we write that parentheses? Only for better foresee that this script, that JavaScript extension is one group. It means that parenthesis is total neutral, only for our compactness and organization. Okay. I like to see it. I like to see it. How to explain this this part of this JavaScript extension, that scripting? It is also architecture, but it is small part architecture. You will better learn if you look at every part as architecture, and because it is architecture, we have a layout, big picture of architecture. It is here complete this component, but it is big picture, big image of this component. But when we learn all about slice, we will see architecture of post slice, and after that, when we look at together post slice and component, we will see architecture of React Redux complete image. Now go back. Post list. This architecture is very, very, very interesting because they connect parents component, it is post list, with the child component time ago. Look at what we have here. We have declaration of object, render it post. That object, declaration of the object, we assign to that render it post, that object, we assign array ordered post dot map. Map is method of array, and the method of array, there is arrow function inside. Arrow function, for parameter there is a post, and in the body of arrow function we write JavaScript extension. We write HTML and data. We look at flow of data. Flow of data, declaration of object, equal array map, ordered post, map is method map, and in body of that arrow function, we have formatting HTML formatting data. We have data. But what is interesting, we formatting every part of post. Post ID, post title, formatting or have position, post title, post date, and post content. And the most interesting thing here is why I came back, why I record this video, is that time ago here is as HTML element. Inside body, we have a post ID, post title, but post date go in time ago element. We incorporate time ago in inside that body, and it is like HTML element. Article is HTML element. H3 is HTML element, and time ago is a React element. After that, paragraph is HTML element. Close article, close tag of article, and inside div article we have element h3, paragraph, and also element time ago, and post ID, post title, post date, post content. Time ago here is HTML element, but it is a React element. There is a capital letter here. It is very, very interesting architecture, and all time in React, when we want from some source of data, when we want from some array, when we want have a list on the screen, look at list on the screen. List is there is a post title, there is a paragraph. Here it is list, title. Here is a paragraph around content, and here is 1 minute ago. Always we have map, and if we need child element, as here time ago, we incorporate that child element inside body of arrow function, parameter map of method map, inside body arrow function where we want that position to be. In this moment, that position of time ago is below post title. Here it is. Absolutely very, very interesting, very, very simple solution. Construction of time ago. Here it is time ago. Is as every React component. First we have architecture is import, what we need, and now is export. Export, declare object. We declare object time ago, and that object time ago equal arrow function. Arrow function And you look at here. Here we have in curly brackets a timestamp. And we have here curly brackets again. But now this parameter, curly brackets, what exists, there is no problem that that timestamp go inside this block. This is block, because is in curly brackets. Here is a curly bracket, and we call that timestamp. And we create from that parameter timestamp, we create parse ISO function and format distance to now. We have that date. All that is for beginners very, very confused. And for me, because of that, I insist, I spoke about this all the time in many, many videos, because it is very, very confused. Very, very confused. You have curly brackets, and here is a curly brackets. It is body, but it is block. And in that block, this is a new creation of timestamp. It is not here is in curly brackets, but here it is not. It is now in curly brackets. I'll be back here in next video, because we need that analyze more. And time ago, there is export, and export is all down, and that time ago object must have a part of variable of JavaScript, and there is a return. It is architecture. Time ago, post slice, that post list, that time ago coming here in body of arrow function, totally equal other HTML element, and can receive post date, all about post, can receive all what method map produce, what parameter post can receive that parameter post, as parameter post is in this HTML. Parameter post is here in H3 HTML. Parameter paragraph is here around the post.content, and that post.date is in time ago. Excellent. Repeat it, understand it, look at it, and on interview explain only that part. And if you understand it, and if you know explain it, you have job. Time ago, here is HTML element. All that article, H3, paragraph, all that is parents, and time ago is child component, but same level as this HTML, but time ago is React component, React element, and it is object, and timestamp is properties of that object. Value, that properties equal assign. We assign right side of equation, assign value post dot date. Thank you for watching this video.